Hi again. And how was your tea? Have you had your tea or coffee? What kind of a person are you? Do you like tea more or do you like coffee more? Well, right now we have. Hello, Bharti Didi. So right now we have Karanveer Bora. You must have seen that on our story. Time to have some shararat with Karanveer. देखो शरारत तो उन्होंने ऑलरेडी शुरू कर दिया. We were supposed to go live at 6:30 and he just got गायब. He said नहीं, find me if you can, and I found him at 6:45. So here we are to know everything about him, from just Mohabbat to now the casino. Everything but with a lot more shararat. And he is ready and is going to join us soon. Hello, Abin Sadeja and King Karanveer. Hello. Hello, the Scorpion Boy. Faizi Baba, hello. So, what are your questions? Do y'all love to play cards? Are y'all going to watch The Casino, which is releasing on 12th? We had Sudhanshu yesterday, who's also part of The Casino, and we're going to have Mandana and a lot more from their channel. It's going to release on Z5. So I hope y'all all have seen the promos and are waiting to watch it. And let's see if Karanveer is here. Hello, Gautam. ओके करणवीर अभी भी शरारत कर रहे हैं. हम रेडी हैं और वो हमारे को कह रहे हैं ढूंढो. करण, वेयर आर यू? वी बीन वेटिंग फॉर यू. कम सून. And yes, we shall have him here. So what are you all doing? How are you all enjoying your evenings? Thank you guys for being with us. ISA and there Karanveer is. Yes, we have found him finally. Hi Payal. And we are waiting for Karanveer to join in, and he should be here really soon. Yes, the King Kiwi Yahoo is here. He should be here very soon. We're just waiting for him to respond. Hello, Vijay. Hello, Afroz. Hello, Sanket. Hi, Varsha. Come, King Kiwi. Yes, that's what we are telling Karanveer. So we're just waiting for him to respond, and hopefully he should be here super, super, super duper soon. And I am just waiting. क्या करें आप बताओ. एंड वो तो फिर गायब हो गए. तो एक और बार रिक्वेस्ट भेजी जाए. This internet ना, I tell you, we don't come to know only whether it's the other person's internet or my internet. तो मुझे यहाँ पे वाईफाई पूरा दिखा रहा है. तो तब तक आप और मैं खेल लेते हैं क्वेश्चन जब तक करण comes back. What's up, Gautam, with you? Yes, we're trying to stay safe and positive. Hope all well with you too. And let me check with Karan what's happening. Karanveer को एक और बार रिक्वेस्ट भेजते हैं. Did join Karanveer is unable to join. ये क्या हो गया? Maybe he's restarting his phone. Yes, King underscore Karanveer, we are as much as excited to have him. Yo, so he should be here really soon. Hello, Sunny Talks. Thank you, Narinder. करणवीर, अब मैं भेजूं आपको रिक्वेस्ट. एंड शरारत की तरह कुछ टाइम पास शरारत करके आ जाओ इस लाइव चैट पर. Waiting. Where is your majesty King KV? Come on, I want him, please, Karan. Same here. Shweta, you look really beautiful, I swear. Thank you, Sachin. Hello.
Finally!
Finally! You still not reached. I thought 6:30 to 6:45 we were waiting ताकि आप आराम से घर पहुंच जाओ. And the net is buffering. And let me tell you, मेरा नेट नहीं है, उनकी नेट की प्रॉब्लम है, क्योंकि वो रोड पे, मैं तो घर पे चुपचाप वाईफाई के साथ. So it's not me. And it's buffering and buffering and buffering. So all your fans in the meantime, put in your questions, and as we get connected, we're gonna know all about it. And he has gone again. And he's gonna come here soon. I think ये ना ऐसे लग रहा है मेरा मोनोलॉग चल रहा है तो तुम क्वेश्चन पूछे रहो मैं जवाब देते जाती हूँ. Hi Puneet. Hi Rajesh. I'm glad you love the black couch. We shall do a live session with you soon, and I'll be sitting here only by the couch. Okay, I'm gonna now try one last time. Waiting for Karanveer Bora. चला दी आज्ञा ये से ब्यूटीफुल थैंक हेलो प्लीज अब कहीं मत जाना बहुत शरारत हो गई आज के लिए आई कांट हियर यू हेलो हाँ नाउ आई कैन हियर यू ओ नाउ
Much better.
मतलब मैंने कहा था विल डू सम शरारत बट यू तो हैव टोटली गॉन गायब ये कौन सी शरारत थी 4:30 6:30 to 6:53 वी वर सर्चिंग यू
Imagine ये देख सारे सामान लेकर आया हूँ मैं.
हो अब एसेंशियल्स के सामने तो हम कुछ नहीं बोल सकते तो वी
घर का
आर
सारा काम मैं ही कर रहा हूँ. You know, it's important.
आई सी अच्छा अभी खुद को देखना बंद
Yeah,
करो
how have you
बंद
been?
करो आई एम गुड हाँ
I keep looking up into your lives and chit chatting masti. Very good. I'm very proud of you, huh, Shweta Roira.
थैंक यू केवी थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग अस लाइव and you know you've removed time from your casino nights and you've given us some time so really sweet of you thank you so much
Oh,
हाँ
my
हाँ अच्छे लग
pleasure.
रहे हो बाल भी सेट है
तो हाँ तुम के मैंने तुम्हें हैरो किया गेट मी लाइव.
hey कुछ भी though you know
Yeah.
ना you have to play casino nights with me but uno not the playing cards
ऊनो मेरे पास नहीं है.
तो कुछ एसेंशियल टाइप्स जुगाड़ कर लो उनो का जैसे हाउ कैन यू नॉट हैव उनो वी प्लेड उनो यू हैव
यार
टू गेट उनो
वी प्लेड ऊनो लेकिन अब मैं वो बच्चा नहीं रहा.
मैं तो वही बच्ची
अब
हूँ
मैं
तो
ब-
प्लीज उनो ले आओ
अब मैं बड़ा हो गया हूँ. नहीं पत्ते खेलो पत्ते.
हाँ तो सिखाना कसिनो नाइट्स पे बैठ के मेरे को सिखाना कि कैसे खेलते हैं
ओके आई विल टीच यू सीरियसली लेकिन मुझे अभी इसके लिए ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा. सो लेट्स टॉक व्हाइल वी आर गोइंग अप. कम ऑन.
okay but we don't want to lose you before by the time you reach up because we've already lost you so many times तो या तो एसी ऑन करके
या.
गाड़ी में ही बैठ जाओ
सीरियसली तेरा नेटवर्क बड़ा खराब है यार. कल भी सुधांशु के साथ
नहीं
तेरा नेटवर्क ऊपर नीचे जा रहा था पता है.
रनवाल में नेटवर्क खराब है मेरा बाकी सबके साथ तो चल रहा है
मेरा देख
और मेरे यहाँ
मैं भी
फुल
नीचे
भी
हूँ
है
फिर भी मेरा नेटवर्क. अच्छा.
मेरा फुल है मैं
और
फोटो
बताओ
भेजूं
आप हाँ नहीं नहीं ठीक
फोटो
है.
भेजूं
आप बताओ मुझे कि आप नई कौन सी पेंटिंग कर रहे हो.
फिलहाल तो मैंने आज ये बनाया जो मैं बहुत जल्दी अपलोड करने वाली हूँ बिकॉज व्हेन यू सेड लेट हो रहा है तो मैं बैठ
ओह
के
वाओ.
पेंटिंग कर रही थी सो सिंस
ओह
इट्स
दैट्स
ओशन डे
ब्यूटीफुल.
I just thought let's save the marine life.
या.
And since you had time to come, I thought let me just do this between the live chats.
दिस इज ब्यूटीफुल यार रियली. यू आर सो टैलेंटेड
So
श्वेता. आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ यू सच में.
thank you. I'm glad I make my friends proud. But when it comes
नो
to
यू
you,
डू.
you are good in art. You're a producer, you're a director, you're an actor, you have your own clothes line. मतलब कुछ बचा है?
देखो गरीबी में क्या क्या करना पड़ रहा है. जो मिले वो करो.
Like, do people know
सीरियसली.
how good you are at art?
I'm not good in art. I'm okay. You know, nothing great.
Please stop fishing for compliments now. I know you're live and your fans are sending a lot of those hearts and they're loving you and all, but stop fishing for compliments. You're very good at art.
No. Seriously. In fact, तेरे पास आऊंगा. I will come to you for like genuinely for maybe 2-3 classes. Like how do you shade or how do you I mean what next step to sketching or drawing or painting. Hello?
Yeah, we lost you, and now we have you again.
I'm back.
Yeah, you're
नहीं ऊपर से
back.
फोन आ रहे हैं, मैं नीचे गाड़ी में बैठा हूँ ना, तो ऊपर से फोन आ रहे हैं.
आई
हाँ तो
थिंक
चलो ना
बात
ऊपर,
चलते
लेट्स
चलते ही
गो अप.
बात कर लो ताकि ऊपर।
हाँ
हाँ, सो
वही मैं कह रहा हूँ, वही मजा
उनको
मजा
भी
उसी में,
स्ट्रेस नहीं
लोग
हो।
देखेंगे कितना काम कर रहा हूँ मैं. या हाँ, आई एम नॉट जस्ट a guy who sits at home and plays with kids. He's a responsible individual also.
That is there, and now everyone is seeing that how you went out to get the essentials, but at the same, you can chat with me. And KV, we want to see you. आप कहाँ आ रहे हो, जा रहे हो, आ रहे हो, जा रहे हो.
So you come on, you do the talking and I'll do the answering.
Exactly. So let's start. So are you all set for the
Yes.
casino on the 12th?
The what?
The casino, 12th को Z5 pay. Are you ready for it?
I'm sorry, it's my kids me continuously.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm back.
You're back? Can you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear. ये देखो.
Perfecto. Oh ho ho. Essentials ready. Papa Karan is going up because the kids have been constantly calling. And at the same time, because he's promised us to be live, he's also live. So you can keep your questions continuously going and coming. And can you hear us, Karan?
Hello. Wait. Can you hear?
I can hear you.
Shweta.
And I've lost you.
Yes. Oh no, you can't lose me, baby. You can't lose. Look at me, man. मैं कैसे लेके जा रहा हूँ
It's
एक आम आदमी,
wonderful!
एक आम आदमी आम लेके जा रहा है. Man, it's too heavy. ऐसा किसी ने लाइव किया है?
नहीं,
काम
ये
करते
फर्स्ट
करते.
टाइम है. This is actually
हाँ?
COVID life.
This is COVID life. Seriously, man. Oh, बस पहुंच गया हूँ. Just only 4 more steps. That's it. I've reached my building.
कितने स्टेप्स हुए आज के?
अरे भाई पूछ मत. Oh.
4 more steps for the lift.
No, लिफ्ट
I
आप
thought you
लिफ्ट
were
पे जा रहा हूँ.
climbing
वहां
up.
पे कनेक्शन, यहाँ पे कनेक्शन थोड़ा टूटेगा, बट विल मैनेज. ओके.
आज हम मैनेज ही कर रहे हैं.
और ये टूटने वाला है कनेक्शन.
And the doors are closing. And it is not idea that you can walk and talk, so we'll have to wait.
कैन
Okay, so in the meantime, we can see some glimpses. Lift key or a Mumbai 125. Oh, hey Tiger, even I want to play casino with him, but right now we have to wait for him. मैं थक गई हूँ लाइव देख देख के आपका. क्यों यार, ही सो गुड लाइव. आप थक कैसे सकते हो? किंग करणवीर, माय क्यूटी. यस, ही इज टोटली अ क्यूटी, नो डाउट इन दैट. Okay, or Vivek Saroj, superb. Yes, I agree with you. And he's back. And we have Karan back.
डिस्कनेक्ट नहीं हुआ. विल गुड थिंग.
ये वोडाफोन तो नहीं हो सकता है. कौन सा नेटवर्क है, प्लीज बता दो.
Let me just meet Bella because she's been calling me continuously. Now just see. कहाँ है? कहाँ है? बेला किधर है?
अब वो
ओ क्या
आपके साथ
बैठे हैं लोग?
शरारत कर रही है।
Excuse me, will you
हेलो।
call? कहीं
हेलो टीजे।
I was gone for so long. See, Chatar Roira. I was going. I know you. I was gone outside for so long.
You had gone for very long.
Yeah, I'm back and I got surprise for you guys. Yeah, but not now. First, let me talk. Okay.
ओके,
Yes.
तो शुरू करते हैं हम सवाल जवाब।
No, come on, guys. I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
Okay, so let's talk about the casino, which is releasing on the 12th on Z5.
Absolutely, girl. Absolutely. Are you ready? Have you seen the trailer, the promo?
I'm
Huh?
loving the trailer, I'm loving the promo, and I can't wait to watch and binge watch on the show. So tell us all about it.
सब तो तुझे बताइए, सबके साथ तो तू बात कर चुकी है.
क्या
हाँ?
सिर्फ सुधांशु से बात की है? अब आगे आप बता दो, बाकी सबसे तो बाद में बात करूंगी ना।
हाँ?
उसने
अच्छा,
सुधांशु
what's
ने
the
थोड़ा
point?
थोड़ा
See,
बताया।
देखो एक बार जब you sanitize your hands, first we wash our hands. Very important. Okay, खाली sanitize से काम नहीं चलता है. जो लोग देख रहे हैं, ये बात सुने और सीखें. Okay, when you guys come back from work, बाहर से आते हो, you need to wash your hands first. That's the most. Don't just sanitize your hands. Alright? हाँ, तो शुरू करते हैं कि ये उस दिन की बात है जब मैंने कसिनो साइन किया. हाँ.
करेक्ट, वहां से शुरू करना, नेपाल पहुंचना और नेपाल से वापस बॉम्बे आना, मुझे सब पता करना है।
बस तुझे पता है कि जब हम लोग नेपाल के लिए जा रहे थे, तब डर ऑलरेडी हो चुका था कि बस कोरोना फैल चुका है. हम फिर भी चांस लिए. वी वेंट टू नेपाल.
ओहो, तो शूट भी कोरोना के टाइम पे ही हुआ है।
सीरियसली. व्हाट?
I said shoot also happened during Corona only. You're lately only shot it,
That's
right? In
what.
Feb.
अरे we came back. So when we came back to uh, Bombay, Mumbai back, and that's when we got to know कि पूरा नेपाल में फैल चुका है. फिर मुंबई में जब शूटिंग शुरू हुई, within like 15 days the scare started happening that India में आ गया. And God's grace, just one day before lockdown, we finished everything.
Oh wow. So
Everything.
you were really lucky and blessed that you all managed the whole
We
thing
were lucky.
before the lockdown.
वरना है ना हमारे लग जा. We would have got screwed so bad. Seriously. God was on
So
our side.
totally. नहीं तो कोरोना के टाइम पे नेपाल जाना, आना, शूट करना and finishing everything on time नहीं होता if it wasn't a blessing from the divine.
That,
So how's it going? Casino nights.
तो ये
It's
थी मेरी
all
कसिनो
about the
की
casino.
ये था मेरा कसिनो का जो पूरा क्या कहते हैं ना एक crazy
Journey.
ride from the start to the beginning. It was like hectic.
And we also saw the amount of fun you all have had because we've been seeing the posts of you,
Yeah.
Mandana, Sudhanshu. So it looks like actually friends have enjoyed at a casino. So we're waiting to
मतलब not
watch.
मतलब हम so I know Sudhanshu for a very long time. We had a great time. Then we had Mantra on the show. I became good friends with Dhanveer, Andrita, Rajesh Khattar was already a good friend. Rajesh Khera was there. We like really we partied out, man. Romit Raj was there. So this was really like was a full-fledged party.
वो हमें पोस्ट में दिख रहा था, हम सबने देखा कि ये तो पार्टी चल रही है एंड साइड बाय साइड शूटिंग हो रही है. सो द वाइब जस्ट सेड इट ऑल एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी आर मोर एक्साइटेड टू वॉच इट. और अभी ये सब एक एक करके कसिनो नाइट्स तो खेल ही रहे हैं आपके साथ.
Yes.
Now I have to harrow you. When am I playing casino nights?
You don't harrow me. I've realized. You just तू सिर्फ बोलती है. हाँ
Oh,
करती.
Rafi.
चलो एक खेलते हैं casino night से खेलते हैं. I'll teach you how to play one blackjack.
Okay, no. First, let me ask you all the questions that I've kept to ask you because a
Okay.
lot of people have like questioned. How did the whole journey start? Because you know you've done some of the best fun shows, Just Mohabbat, Shararat, and you know how did
Yeah, your voice is not clear.
Okay, I said we want to know
Now it's
about
better.
we want to know your TV journey, but we want to start with just Mohabbat and Sharara, the cute boy. Wala time that you had this whole cute boy thing. Every
Oh,
girl
I
was
think
like,
we
oh.
just had a Shararat reunion right now. We had so much of fun. Seriously, it's and the good thing is that in touch with all these guys, and we are so close. The entire gang from Shararat, and from just Mohabbat also Vatsal Seth and me are we're still in touch. So it's good to be part of such iconic shows, and you're still in touch with these people, and you kind of cherish these moments. You relive those moments. I mean, I think my baby's gotten up. Hold on. Wait. See? Oh, sweetie. Oh,
Oh, yo, yo.
no. Aja. Aja, baby. Come here. See? Okay, let me pick you up. I'm dirty. I came from outside. Aja. Okay, I'll pick you. Wait, let me get mom then. Wait, hold on.
क्या हो गया?
See? Okay, so wait, hold on. I have to make Bella do pee pee. Wait. Too many things. Wait. 1 second, huh?
Okay, so in the meantime, if you all have more questions, because I have a list of questions that came to me that people wanted me to ask him. अगर आपके पास और questions है, आप भी पूछ लीजिए.
Yes, I'm back. Ask me what do you want to ask.
Okay, so from the cute boy came the negative boy from Kasautis and the Geeky and Nagin and all those shows where you were playing a little rough this. वो वाला transformation कैसा था? Like, completely opposite from good to bad.
Well, see, for an actor, it is always good to take challenges. I like to play these kind of anti-heroish roles where you get to. There are always layers of characters. So yeah, I mean, when Saubhagyavati Bhava came, I said, "Oh God, it's negative, but I will take it." That's it. So I said, you know what? It's negative. Hua to kya hua? For an actor, it's a great opportunity. I took it and kind of did it the way I want to do it. Then whether it was Kasautis in the Buki or whether it was Nagin, as an actor, you need to keep reinventing yourself.
So in Casino, you're good or bad?
Both. I have a great
मतलब हमें
face.
देखना पड़ेगा to understand क्योंकि ये तो अभी बहुत
Absolutely. उसकी उसकी कैसे कैसे वाइट से ग्रे बनता है ग्रे से ब्लैक बनेगा इट्स एन इंटरेस्टिंग कहानी
So what is your character name in the casino?
विकी मार्वल
Oh, Vicky, we are waiting to watch you on the 12th at the casino,
एब्सोल्युटली
Z5.
मतलब ये इमीडिएटली और पूरे छाप देना अपने हाउ मच यू लव्ड
Obviously, it goes without saying because we know you're gonna love it. We know it already. Okay,
इट
you've done so many reality shows like Jhalak Dikhla Ja, Khatron Ke Khiladi. How was it doing reality in front of camera?
हाउ
You've done so many reality shows too. Like, so how was it your experience of doing so many reality shows, be it Khatron
I
Ke
think
Khiladi, Big
one of the
Boss?
best reality shows is Khatron Ke Khiladi. It beats all the reality shows. The Bob of reality shows.
What was your
Seriously.
favorite episode of yours in Khatron Ke Khiladi?
There's no one episode. Like we were part of Khatron Ke Khiladi. We loved those 30 days. ऐसा एक task नहीं था where we would not feel scared and our heart would not be in our mouth. And it was the best time TJ and me had. Really, it was wonderful.
Okay, I'm gonna take names of some of your shows and some shows in general. The first word that comes to your mind on it. Did you hear me? I'm gonna take names of your shows, okay? And the first word that comes to your mind at it.
Okay.
Kasauti Zindagi Ki.
UD,
Just Mohabbat.
Mother India,
क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी.
Ekta,
शरारत.
Shruti, Simple, Aditi, Nani.
आई न्यू ये तो एक वर्ड में होगा ही नहीं. झलक दिखला जा.
Hard work,
नच बलिए.
too much fun.
खतरों के खिलाड़ी.
Huh?
खतरों के खिलाड़ी.
Best,
नागिन.
too good.
बिग बॉस.
Okay.
द कैसीनो.
Fantastically supersonic.
Okay. Now it is this or that. Okay. Ready?
No.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me, what in your entire journey have you feel that you really worked for and you've accomplished?
I didn't get. Couldn't get
Can you
you.
hear me? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
From all your roles, which was your dream role?
All the roles were dreamers. I don't. Whichever roles I do, I take a lot of time to do those roles. I need a lot of time to decide. And if I've decided to do that role, that means I'm in love with that role.
What makes you so special according to you?
That I give my 100% in whatever I do. In fact,
For
I
you,
put more than my 100%.
for you, the end matters or the means is more important?
Both. Both.
Are you a leader or
Both
a
matters to
follower?
me equally. Both. Where I need to, where I need to, I'll follow.
How do you measure your life?
Because again, you can't. What?
How do you measure your life?
With the amount of love I get and the amount of love I can give.
How would you describe yourself in 3 words?
3 times God's child.
Okay. This or that? Popcorn or chocolate?
Popcorn.
Comedy or thriller?
Thriller.
Thriller movie.
Huh?
Favorite thriller movie?
Favorite thriller movie. Don't recollect it, but for a show, like recently I just watched a show which was really good. Uh, was Bates Motel.
At home or cinema?
What?
At home or cinema?
Home.
Romance or action?
A bit of romance, a lot of action.
Favorite romantic movie?
Favorite romantic movie. Yeah, which was that film? Yeah, Time Traveler's Wife.
Oh,
I'm
it's
a lot into
beautiful.
time travel. I love these kind of futuristic movies.
And favorite action movie?
Matrix.
Netflix or DVD?
Of course, Netflix. DVD का जमाना गया.
नहीं नहीं लोगों को अभी भी डीवीडी पसंद है.
हाँ, लेकिन मैं ज्यादा Z5 देख. हाँ?
Disney or Marvel?
I couldn't hear you.
Disney or Marvel?
What?
Disney or Marvel?
Marvel. But
Favorite
nowadays
Marvel?
Disney because kids are watching Disney.
Kids' favorite Disney character?
Snow White, Rapunzel, Elsa, Anya, Elsa and yeah. Okay, one sec. My baby's skippish hasn't finished. Hold on.
So while we are waiting,
अरे तो मैं नहीं करूँ.
hello Marita, hello Hasti. Thank you guys for coming live and pouring in your hearts and love at this time. I know you all want to see Bella and both the twinnies, but we're gonna come back for that chat because today's chat was all about the casino. Hi Lata Sharma. Hi Pri. Hello Anuj. Uh, and
Hey,
we have
और
paused
दादी.
again.
Hey, मैं दादी बात कर रहा हूँ. Say hi. चलो. Hey, say hi to दादी.
Hello Shivni. Hello Priyanka.
Yeah, I'm back.
Welcome back. Fav, you like to rewatch classics or new releases?
Welcome back. Poo साफ करने के बाद feeling fresh.
हाँ दोए?
हाँ हाँ. तुझे क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है? I'm not touching you.
अरे but I'm asking generally everyone should know ना कि
Of
मुंह
course,
साफ करने के बाद हाथ
naturally, yeah, we
धो.
wash hands. Of course, we wash hands after cleaning baby's poo poo.
Rewatch or new releases?
Rewatch. मुझे
Musicals
कोई हाइट
or
बनाना
science
चाहिए.
fiction?
प्री होता है. What?
Musicals or science fiction?
Science fiction any day. Better than thrillers. Better than Disney, Marvel. Science fiction.
Which is your favorite science fiction?
Back to the Future. Time Traveler's Wife. Then anything related to time travel.
Watching in company or on your own?
Star Wars. I'm a big fan. Big fan.
You like watching in company or on your own?
Own. Just
Movie
DJing me, that's
marathon?
it.
That's on
Oh
your
yeah,
own
yeah,
only.
yeah. Yeah, movie marathon.
Okay. Okay, now I'm going to ask you this or that, which is only connected to the casino. So this section is dedicated to your the casino, which is releasing on 12. And remind you people
Okay.
Z5. Playing cards के साथ casino या Uno?
Uno.
Thank you. तीन पत्ती और रमी.
तीन पत्ती.
Playing with friends or with unknown people?
Friends.
Online poker or solitaire?
Solitaire.
Dad, I'm getting up. Dad, I'm on the
Great.
I'm on the bed.
Casino in India or abroad?
Casino. Point. That's it. Nothing
The
more.
casino.
Casino.
Point. The casino. Point. The casino. Point. ठीक है? Okay. Hearts or spades?
Spades.
King or queen?
King.
Play till you win or
No.
quit?
I'm just making a plan.
Play till you win or quit while losing?
Play till I win. All
Bow
in.
tie or
I
casual? वाह वाह. High stakes already, हाँ? सबने सुना? Oh, there we've got a picture of bow tie. एक मिनट ये तो मैं snapshot लूंगी. Uh, स्नैपशॉट लेने का ही खर्च बंदी हो गया नहीं स्नैपशॉट लेने का यू ट्राई क्लिकिंग स्नैपशॉट में से नहीं हो रहा
You click on I'm gonna pause.
Okay, wait, let me try. I'm trying again. Okay, now I know how to do it. So let's try once more.
Okay.
Okay, we got it. In one line, please tell us about the casino.
In one line. Glamorous, deceit, thrill, exciting, and welcome to the unknown.
All right. Okay, a lot of people have said they've also taken the pic while we were posing. Very good. Please post it on your stories and tag us.
बेटी ऑन है दूसरा वाला वो वाला मुझे BC डबल ए बना दे BC वो वाला ऑन है
Ready for workout?
to be on नहीं you'll get more pre-workout yeah. So before I get into my casino nights with KV, he needs to look all buffed and ripped and all.
Please tell us
Because tonight I have Raghu and Rajiv.
who you have tonight.
Raghu and Rajiv, the badasses, reality television.
Before we sign out and you go to get beefed up for the casino night, तो अच्छे शब्द हमारे viewers के लिए इसके पहले हम बाय बाय बोले.
नहीं viewers के लिए नहीं मैं दो अच्छे शब्द तुम्हारे लिए बोलूँगा viewers के लिए तो मैं रोज कहता ही हूँ. Okay, तुम्हारे लिए कहने के लिए मैं this is a perfect platform and I must say that जब से मैं तुम्हें जानता हूँ you have reinvented yourself which I really appreciate in every individual who takes chances who takes any kind of setback as a challenge and reinvents themselves and make themselves into वो कहते हैं ना सोना जब जलता है हाँ तब जाके वो सोना बनता है डायमंड को मतलब कूटते तब जाके वो कोहिनूर बनता है genuinely I'm telling you you have made yourself that you have made yourself Atmanirbhar so and not only in one way in so many ways like I see you like you got yourself into as an artist sketching drawing actor I really appreciate the lives that you do getting out there is not easy doing the stuff is not easy and still you so I'm very proud of you as a friend. Good job, girl.
Thank you, KV. Thank you for these lovely words. You've just made my quarantine more special.
Boom. Go for it, man. Go for the kill. Alright, and to all the fans and all out there, keep showering your love. Watch Casino 12th of June. And
What? You almost did it.
Yeah, you see a toy? Okay, you take care, girl. Thank you so much for getting me on, really.
Thank you for coming and hope to see you soon and all the best for the casino.
Dad, you didn't say hi to me.
Okay, you have to say hi to her.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you? I'm gonna come and play with you soon. Bye.
Yeah, soon. They come home soon. Okay. Bye, Shweta. Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.